In this video, we are going to take a look at 10 lucrative niches that have high CPM rates, cost per thousand views. By following these simple tips, you can start making money from your YouTube channels very quickly. So let's get started. YouTube has become incredibly lucrative, getting people flocking with content. However, not every YouTuber finds the platform a gold mine, since a few venture into less paying niches due to lower CPM. That can be frustrating, primarily if you invest so much time and resources in creating content that hardly gets you earning. However, we have good news for every aspiring YouTuber, and we can affirm that dozens of YouTube niches with high CPM rates exist. We've compiled a comprehensive list of the most lucrative YouTube niches with high CPM rates to help you make your YouTube investment worth your while, and without further ado, here are the highest paying YouTube niches. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around for quite a while, and it's slightly above 3 decades old. However, it's not overly explored as a YouTube treasure trove, but the few who have reaped big from it. Interestingly, this niche usually attracts tech-based advertisers, and it's easy to find companies ready to trade on ads. SaaS companies are the most significant players in this niche. Also, online course creators find it more lucrative for their business since they earn much from the ad traffic. This niche's CPM can reach close to $25, which is significantly huge compared to most marketing niches. Enticingly, making a big buck with this niche doesn't require search engine optimization. Advertisers are usually assured of their returns when they advertise in this niche, making it a treasure trove for any aspiring YouTuber. However, the content must be attractive for high traffic, and you will make a fortune each payday. 2. Make money online. Everyone loves making money, and that's a sure thing. Especially so, making money online is everyone's wish, and YouTube presents that opportunity. People hate indulging in long texts on websites offering similar information, so YouTube is usually their ultimate spot for tips. That makes this niche high traffic. Companies use it as a gold mine to make their brands known far and wide. Like affiliate marketing, this niche has all the kicks of being the treasure trove most aspiring YouTubers want. With a CPM average of $13.52 and reaching close to $22, this niche is worth venturing into. The good thing is that people will always find information about making money and will always run to YouTube. If that stays that way, this niche will always be lucrative for any YouTuber aiming to create a fortune from this video sharing platform. 3. Luxury. The luxury niche is one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. There are many high-paying and profitable ads that can be run on YouTube. There are many factors that make the luxury niche so profitable. The first factor is the high CPM. This is due to the fact that the advertisers who want to run ads in this niche are willing to pay more money per view than they would in other niches. The second factor is that there are many different kinds of people who will watch these videos and be interested in them. This means that as long as you create a video with good content, it will attract a lot of viewers, which will result in more money being made from ads and views on your videos. 4. Personal finance. Most people want to be more conscious about their spending and managing their savings. However, schools and financial education institutions barely go more profoundly into helping people at such personal levels. That's made learning through the internet on personal finance matters more sought after, and YouTube has become the go-to option for a better acquaintance. It's not so surprising why the personal finance niche has made it to the top of the earning radar for most YouTube content creators. Everyone wants a personal financial education, and YouTube has become a favorite spot for individuals desperately looking for it. That's made this niche ideal for advertisers looking at leveraging its marketing potential and promoting its products, attracting a considerably high CPM rate. 5. Health and fitness. Health and fitness are much discussed topics in the modern world, and people are always looking for ways to stay fit and healthy. While this niche pays a lot by itself through pay-per-view, it gets lots of traffic. It's also a gold mine for companies willing to pay the big bucks to promote their products. The niche is also expansive and has numerous high-paying sub-niches, and being more specific will guarantee higher returns. Content creators have earned big in this niche, with a CPM rate of about $13 at best. Averagely, the CPM rate is usually around $7, and the lowest you can find is just a little shy of $5. The niche attracts thousands of fitness companies willing to advertise, and that explains its massive success in the past. The good thing is that health and fitness are universal, and countless people globally are finding more effective ways to stay fit in their daily sedentary lifestyles. 6. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is only recent and hasn't been around for long. However, people have become more obsessed with being more familiar with blockchain technology. It's become a more trending topic, especially since the showcase of Bitcoin's success and how much fortune people have made in the past. This niche also pays solely through video viewership as long as the content is enticing. This niche earns YouTube content creators hundreds of thousands of dollars each payday, and rightly so. Generally, as a niche, it can earn you quite a fortune. You mainly monetize it in other ways, including adding affiliate links in each video's description. The best part is that it also has some sub-niches that help answer more specific topics and offer a solution to the ever-curious audiences. That makes it a perfect spot for attracting companies willing to trade advertising space for their products. 7. Travel. Humans are naturally adventurous and love to learn about the world through traveling. Some who don't have plans to will only love experiencing how life feels like if they swap their geographical positions. So, they'll run over to YouTube to get similar experiences and learn or live other people's experiences virtually. That's made this niche more profitable and attracts higher CPM rates, making it more preferred by most YouTube content creators. That's entirely justifiable, with its high CPM rates reaching close to $7, which is significantly increased. Remember that tour and travel companies always look for partners to advertise their craft, and YouTube is the best platform to promote their services through paid ads. However, the options aren't limited since numerous companies related to this niche are still available. 8. Automotive technology. Automotive technology is also one of the highest-paying YouTube niches that remain criminally underexplored. Honestly, this niche has fans who follow updates closely, and it's a loyal fan base. However, the niche's success is attracting high-value companies willing to pay the big bucks for some advertising space. The niche has a CPM that goes as much as $10, but the average range is usually about $7, making it one of the most lucrative on YouTube. The good thing is that it's much easier to monetize channels in this niche, and affiliate marketing does much better. This niche is on par with most tech niches, especially those involving gadgets and electronics. However, the only advantage of automotive technology is that it attracts high-profile companies willing to pay more to promote their products. 9. Relationships. Most people find practical relationship advice online and mainly on YouTube. It also helps if you're more experienced or certified as a relationship expert, since that builds credibility. However, that doesn't mean you won't make it if you're not. More useful relationship information attracts viewers, which impresses high-value companies to pay for adverts. This niche boasts a CPM of nearly $8 at best and about $2.07 in a worst-case scenario. Moreover, monetizing a channel in this niche guarantees high returns to every YouTuber looking to make it an investment. You can also do affiliate links and paid advertising from direct companies that can be willing to sponsor your content. Moreover, you can still request to promote products on companies' behalf, whether or not they're related to your content. That doubles the earnings or perhaps triples them. 10. Lifestyle and vlogs. YouTube is a great platform for vloggers who are looking to make money off of their content. Lifestyle and vlogging niches are some of the most popular niches on YouTube. This is because people are always looking for inspiration and tips on how to live a better life or how to do certain tasks such as cooking or cleaning. Lifestyle channels are often created around generic topics such as cooking, fashion, beauty tutorials, a day in the life, travel, DIYs, etc. This kind of videos are very easy to produce and usually go viral once you have loyal subscribers. Conclusion: YouTube has been an essential income stream for millions of people globally, thanks to its high pay-per-view and CRN rates. However, it's fair to say that not all niches are as lucrative as only a few promise better returns. Most channels now earn bait from creating and selling content, and even without showing their faces. But most of the earnings come from the high CPM rates that some niches offer. That's because YouTube has become one of the best marketplaces for high-value companies willing to pay significantly considerable amounts to promote their products. Identifying an ideal, high-paying channel is a no-brainer if you're an aspiring YouTuber and are eager to make hefty YouTube earning your craft. But essentially, it calls for a bit of patience, since earning from YouTube niches with high CPM isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, as it requires you to upload tens to hundreds of videos to be highly profitable. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.